Okay, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can set the conversion action names for the Price Labelizer. It's quite straightforward. So we added another option in the script instead of the spreadsheet, so that you can now add the conversion action you want to have the performance on, for example, conversions and conversion value. And what you need to do is you need to precisely copy the conversion action name from the Google Ads goals and place them into an array. The example above is the example of an array, so you please use that format because otherwise it will not work. And this can be very useful for when you are having multiple conversion actions set as primary. For example, if you're running add to carts and purchase, then if you want to only run the script with purchase conversions, then you can put in your purchase conversion action name into the variable. But it can also be that your add to carts are set to secondary, but you want to analyze the performance by add to carts. And what you then can do is also add the conversion action name of the add to carts into the conversion action names, so that it only segments on the add to carts. Pretty straightforward. And this is everything you need to know about the conversion action names for this video.